Winunite 16 and 2/5 foot car door edge guards. No glue black universal fit rubber U-shaped door edge trim automotive door edge molding door edge protector for sedans, trucks, SUV, ATV. Pliers, clean cloth provided. Install tools contributes to quicker and easier install. Protect against paint chips / door dings. Protect your car door's edges as well as those cars parked next to you. 16 and 2/5 feet could be installed on 2 doors, vertically and horizontally, on most cars. Packaged in one roll, custom length, and avoid wasting strips. Open and close doors as usual. It also helps reducing some wind / road noise. Great gift for car owners. Fits most of sedans, trucks, SUV, ATV, UTV, boats. Could be used as truck fender fairs, ATV edge guard, boats edge seals, trailer door entry guard, automotive door entry guard, UTV edge guard, storage container seals, tool cart trim and decorative trim seals. Could be installed on front doors, back hatch door, bonnet edge. Make your cars look more sporty. Car door protectors edge guards clear, 16 ft, 5 m, car edge trim rubber seal protector with U-shaped car protection door edge guard fit for most car, clear. It is cold in winter. Before use, you can use a hot air blower to heat the clear door trim guard for better adhesion. Snowman without snow high quality TPO rubber material, heat resistance, abrasion resistance, anti-aging, waterproof and UV resistance. EASY to install orange heart universal fit. Just push on the car door edge guards above the install place. Could be installed in 15 minutes, much easier if you tap lightly with rubber mallet, not included. Attention to truck / van owners, please ensure your door edge thickness prior to purchase. Beaming face with smiling eyes. TO-Care your CAR thumbs up adhesive, built-in strong double-sided adhesive tape and does not melt under hot weather, no glue needed. They helps fit tightly and won't damage your door paint. No drop down even going through car washes. Open and close your doors easily. Beaming face with smiling eyes.